Hello student, I am Amit. This is the 8th video of your chapter exponent. In this video we are going to solve question number 6. So here we have a question number 6, evaluate. First part 3 power 7 divided by 3 power 5 whole power minus 4. So here we have a divided sign between two same bases, then power will be subtract. So we have 3 power 7 minus 5 whole power minus 4. So after solving we get 3 power 2 and whole power minus 4, and when we have a power upon power will be multiplied, so we get 3 power minus 8. Okay, now B part 3 power minus 4 cross 3 power minus 5 divided by 3 power 2. So here we have 3 power minus 4, and here when we have a multiply sign between a two same base, then power will be add. So 3 power minus 4 plus minus 5 in one bracket and 3 power 2. So after adding we get 3 power minus 9, and here we have 3 power minus 2, and now we have a divide sign between same bases, then power will be subtract. So 3 power minus 9 minus 2, we get 3 power minus 11. Clear? Now C part of question number 6, a power minus 6 divided by a power minus 4 in one bracket cross a power minus 5 cross a power 9. So a power minus 6 minus 4 bracket close, and here we have a power minus 5 plus 9. So a power minus 6 minus plus 4, and here we have a power 4. Here we have a power 4 because here we have a same base, then power will be add. So after adding we get a power 4, and here power will be subtract because here we have divide. So we get a power minus 2, and here we get a power 4. So we get a power 2. Clear? Similarly, we have a D part of question number 6, 7 by 11 power minus 5 whole power minus 2. When we have a power upon power will be multiply. So 7 by 11 power minus 5 cross minus 2. After solving we get 7 by 11 power plus 10. Now E part 3 by 5 power 3 cross 3 by 5 power 8 divided by 3 power 5 power 2 3 by 5 power 4. So here we have a multiply sign between same bases, then power will be add. So 3 by 5 power 11, here we get 11. Okay, and here we have a same base between, and we have a multiply sign between these two same bases, then power will be add. So here we get 6. Okay, and now we have a divide sign, then power will be subtract, so we get 3 by 5 power 5. Okay, now F part 4 power 0 minus 3 power 0 plus 2 by 5 power 0 divided 5 by 15 divided by 5 by 10 power 10 multiply by 5 power 5. So 4 power 0 we get 1, 3 power 0 1, 2 by 5 power 0 we get 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 divided by, here we have a divide sign, so power will be subtract. So 5 power 5 into 5 power 5. So 1 cancel 1, we get 1, and here we have a same base, and we have a multiply sign between these two bases, then power will be add. So we get 5 power 10. We get 5 power 10. So here we have 1 divided by 5 power 10. Okay. Now question number 7. Simplify and write the answer in positive exponent. 8 power 3 cross 81 cross 8 x power 4 divided by 3 power minus 2 cross 2 power minus 5 cross x power minus 3. So here we have 2 power 3 whole power 3 cross 3 power 4 cross x power 4 3 power minus 2 cross 2 power minus 5 cross x power minus 3. So 2 power 9 here we have, and here we have 2 power minus 5, but in divide, so power will be subtract. So 2 power 9 minus 5, and similarly here we have 3 power 4, and here we have 3 power minus 2, but in divide. So 3 power 4 minus 2. Similarly we have x power 4, here we have x power 4, and here we have x power minus 3. So power will be subtract, so we get 4 minus 3. So after solving we get 2 power 14 plus 3 power 6, here we have a 6. Okay, 3 power 6 cross x power 7. Okay, B part आपका homework होगा. B part will be your homework. Now question number 8. Express each of the following in exponential form. So here we have 216 divided by 343. So we can written this as minus 6 cross minus 6 cross minus 6 divided by 7 cross 7 cross 7. So written written this number as minus 6 by 7 power 3. Okay. Now here we have 1296 divided by 10,000. So 1296 can be written as 36 cross 36 means 36 square, and 10,000 written as 100 square. So we can written this as this minus 36 by 100 power 2. 9. Find value of n so that n cross 3 power minus 5 equals to 3. So n equals to 3 divide by, ये multiply में divide में जाएगा, so 3 divide by 3 power minus 5. So we get n equals to 3. अब here we have a divide sign between same bases, then power will be subtract. So 3 power 1 minus minus 5. We get n equals to 3 power 6. Question number 10. Find the value of n for following. First part, 5 power n equals to 15625. 5 power n equals to 5 cross. We can written this as 5 cross 5 cross 5 cross 5 cross 5. So 5 power n equals to 5 power 6, n equals to 6. Clear? B part, 3 power 8 divided by 3 power 6 equals to 1 by 3 power n. Okay, so here we get 3 power. Here we get 3. Here we have a divide sign between same bases, then power will be subtract. So we get 3 power 2. And here we have 1 by 3 power n. We can written 1 by 3 power n as 3 power minus n. So minus n equals to 2 or n equals to minus 2. Okay. C part, 3 by 2 power this divided by minus 3 by 2 power this and 2 by 3 power n plus 2. So here we have a same base and we have a divide sign, then power will be subtract. So minus 3 by 2 power 5n minus 6, 5n plus 6 sorry, minus 8. And here we have minus 2 by 3, but we can written it as 3 by 2 minus में. So but power will be, but here we have a negative power. Okay, now we have a same base, then power will be compare. So 5n plus 6 minus 8 equals to minus n minus 2. 5n minus 2, because 6 minus 8 we get minus 2, and minus n minus 2. Minus n shifted to this side we get 6n, and minus 2 shifted to this side we get 0. 6n equals to 0, n equals to 2. Okay. Question number 11, 12, 13 and 14 will be your homework, and your chapter exponent has completed. Okay, in the next video we will solve a next chapter. Thank you.